Yo, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy MB, ready to do the recap. Today is Monday, December 30th, 2024, the last week of the trading year. And today was pretty boring. I had put an order into short last night. I had flipped my chart because I like to do that. It helps me see the market. So I had an order right down here. I noticed that there was this resistance level. And so I think it was like right before 9 p.m. here, right around this area. I had put my order into short right there. So had the market pulled back here and got me in, we would have had this nasty, nasty move up. My TP was literally right here, so it would have passed an account. So by the time I woke up around like 8 o'clock, we had already made this big ass move. And so whenever I miss moves like that, I really don't like to trade too hard. You know, I kind of like to take it easy, which is pretty much what I did. So I only took two, I guess maybe three trades, and that was all on this account. And I kind of messed up. My first trade, I took a short at 9:15 at 42.75. There, oof, yeah, it was beautiful. And this market's been insane. So like even this small little move, I would have passed my account there. So I shorted here at 42.75. So I got in right there. I had my stop right above this candle, above this wick. This candle opened up with no top wick. It was just sellers, and so I was like, let me go ahead and try to catch this momentum to the downside. So I got in at 42.75, but I got in a little bit late. You know, I noticed this move right here, like at 48. I didn't get in until 42, and so I had a 12-point stop, which isn't bad, but I just didn't feel like losing 250 right off the bat because I felt like my entry was a little bit late. So it goes down, it comes back up, it goes back down. I was like, all right, whatever. Let me just take this 200. You know, I just get on the board. And so I got out at 33.25. So literally right there. So I catch a little baby move, and then it freaking drops another, like, I don't know, 70 points. So that would have passed my account. So I was like, okay, well, usually when that happens, if I take a trade and it ends up working out, but I sell early, usually for me, I end up having a red day after that. And so the second trade, that's exactly what ended up happening. So I took a long at 9:56, 61.75. So I go long right here. Wow. And then it pulls down. I get stopped out at 45 right there. Ooh, that's tough. So I get stopped out here, and then we ended up going up. So that sucks. So trade number two would have worked out if I didn't get stopped out here. I could have had like a little bit more of a stop, a little bit wider of a stop, and that would have worked out. So that sucks. I ended up, being right, but ended up taking a loss there, and so I was negative like 156 bucks. And so then this last trade I took right at 11:05. I guess a minute before. This was a baby scalp, and again I was just selling early. So it was this candle here. If I go to a 1 minute, it was this candle here. You know, it started to form, so I was like, let me just try to scalp a short, and I got out for like what, 10 points? Not even. Wow. I got out for 8 points right here. It was like a 30-point drop, so I could have made 600 bucks. So I could have been a lot more green than I actually am. I could have been up like $500 on the day. But it all stems from that first trade of the day. The first trade, selling early. Second trade, getting stopped out. And so, man, that's tough. I didn't even realize that trade number two would have worked out that well. But yeah, I'm not really feeling it today. I didn't trade the funded account, so no trades there. So just those three, and could have been a good day, but missed a big move overnight, and then those three trades. So gonna call it here. I mean, I feel like there's still a lot more moves to be made, to be honest. Like, I really want to keep trading, but I just don't want to. I don't want to keep trying it. You know, like I said, whenever I have these types of days where I should have passed an account or I should have had a big move and I miss it and I keep trying, the probability of me ending up red is a lot higher than and actually ended up green. You know, fighting it through. Friday was the exact opposite. You know, everything that I did ended up working out in my favor. And so those are the days that you want to keep trading. Days like today, you got to just, take it for what it is. And it just didn't happen to work out in my favor. But, that's what it's all about, knowing your limits, stopping when you should stop, not getting greedy, coming back the next day and allowing yourself to have another chance. So, yeah, just growing and becoming better. So Kind of call it here green, $12.96. You know, I'd rather be green than negative. You know, I'd rather be green 12.96 than negative that 150 that I was. So I'll take it. We're gonna start this week off green and hopefully finish the year green. So I'll catch you tomorrow. I love you.